To enable Gemini on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to first locate the apps section. Click on it, go to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to other settings. Then select default apps, and inside scroll down to the assistant and voice input. And in digital assistant app, make sure that you have Google selected. Now when this is done, we can go back to the main settings page and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Google right here. Go to all services, scroll down until you find search assistant and voice right here. Then select Gemini, and that way you will see a setup screen for Gemini. You can read through it or select any options that you like, and then finally click on Use Gemini, and that way your Gemini will be active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.